Hi guys, and welcome back to the Mastering Mobile Marketing series. My name is Natasha and I'm account manager here at Yodel, and today I'm going to talk to you about ad fraud. Yes, you may be thinking, this again, but fraud is something that happens in the mobile ecosystem day in and day out. According to Adjust, mobile ad fraud is when individuals or groups attempt to defraud advertisers, publishers and supply partners by exploiting mobile advertising technology. The objective of fraudsters is to steal from advertising budgets. On average, just over 15% of activity through ad networks is fraudulent. Ad fraud is constantly evolving over time, so much so there are a number of ways that fraud can affect mobile media. This can be anything from faked impressions, click spam, or faked installs. Mobile ad fraud can be siloed into two types, install and click fraud. Click fraud can appear in many forms, from bots, banner stacking and device uploading. Bots constantly generate fake clicks in the background, so anyone who visits the site can be pulled into the attribution window. Whilst banner stacking is where a user clicks or sees an ad, but a number of ads may receive the impression or click. In some cases, some publishers may falsify installs that have no value. This can be done through attribution fraud, secret intent, or site retargeting. Attribution fraud is when a supplier takes credit for an install for which they were not the last click. Secret intent is when a publisher provides a reward for an install, leading to low-value users. Click and install fraud removes the value of media spend and can be very costly, but we can collectively, as an industry, work together to minimize fraud in mobile. The overarching key to minimizing and understanding fraud is transparency. Looking at user-level data, source hierarchy, information architecture, and ad and network selection. It is important that we identify channel hierarchies to enable deduplication for users actually converted by a second source. When running activity with ad networks, it's important that they are transparent, trustworthy, and reputable. There's no real way to cast responsibility on reducing or completely stopping fraud, but as mentioned, this is an industry-wide issue and responsibility falls on each player in the mobile ecosystem. There are also benchmarks that we can apply in-house with regards to spend and install caps. It's about staying ahead of the game as much as possible. Fraud is definitely a key talking point in the industry and will remain as such as it evolves over time. If you like this video, be sure to comment, like and subscribe somewhere down here. Be sure to check out other videos in this mobile marketing series. I'll see you later.